Ethereum may register a 1.6% uptick by May 18, Gov Capital Collector suggests. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. Based on the latest data, Ethereum has lost 1.6% since yesterday and is now near $2,191.14. Now, let's explore the forecast section. According to CoinDataFlow, we could be heading toward $2,173.28 tomorrow, a move that reflects a 0.8% decline. 30 rates puts Ethereum's target at $2,184, about 0.3% down from now. CoinCodex notes it may head upward toward $2,208.79, around 0.9% higher. A separate projection from Gov Capital Collector highlights Ethereum may be on track for $2,226.06, a rise of about 1.6%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions points to $2,266.78 by tomorrow, which is 3.5% above the latest price. This one shows the highest profit potential. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. According to the combined data from each forecast, the market might swing between a drop of 0.8% and a rise of 3.5%, depending on the analyst. It appears Crypto Predictions ends up with the highest projected return, with 3.5% increase in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to earn between $3 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the odds, 30 rates leads with an 80.8% chance of success. By assembling the 5 forecasts, I've presented a unified consensus outlook. The consensus projection shows Ethereum settling around $2,211.78. Here's how it breaks down. Consensus guidance points to a 1% gain by tomorrow. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $10 in gain. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 74.8%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. CoinDataFlow highlights a bearish short-term picture. Also, 30 rates anticipates Ethereum heading south. CoinCodex points to a bullish course in the days ahead. The near-term outlook, additionally stressed by Gov Capital Collector, is clearly bullish. Likewise, Crypto Predictions emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. The consensus forecast underscores a bullish path, indicating that Ethereum is likely to move higher over the coming 3 days. Overall, 60% of forecasts point toward gains, underscoring optimism around Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were aimed at the day after. That day is behind us, so let's see how accurate they were. In the end, the last candle closed at $2,180.96. Yesterday showed that just 2 forecasts captured the direction correctly. Best alignment with the actual price came from CoinDataFlow. Let's take a closer look at the details. Out of all 5, a single prediction landed within the candle. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and CoinDataFlow had the highest return at 3.8%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. CoinPrice forecast posted $128.04 accuracy, 62% forecast probability, and minus 3.8% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Fetch leads the outlook with 3.4% and Ethereum trails below. In this section, Ethereum is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. And that's a wrap. If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. See you, friends.